Are you on the hunt for the perfect transitional crochet project? Something that combines comfort, style, and ease of crafting? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you my brand new pattern for the Sail Away Summer Vest. This piece is not only fashionable, but also lightweight, making it ideal for those cooler transitional days from summer to fall. We'll be diving deep into this project, covering everything you need to know. I'll share the inspiration behind the pattern, give you an in-depth review of Lion Brand's 24/7 cotton yarn, which is what I used to create this vest, and walk you through the level of difficulty so you can gauge if it's the right pattern for you. But that's not all. I'll also provide tips on caring for your finished piece to keep it looking its best, and I'll point you to some tutorials to help you along the way. Whether you're a beginner or you're an experienced crocheter looking for your next project, there's something here for everyone. So let's dive in because there's so much to explore today. First, let's talk about the inspiration behind the Sail Away Summer Vest. As you all know, I'm a proud Texas girly, and let's be real, fall isn't exactly a big deal here. While other places are enjoying cool, crisp air and vibrant fall foliage, we have a few mildly cool days sprinkled throughout the season. So when the weather does switch up, I love having lightweight layering pieces on hand. That's where the Sail Away Summer Tank really shines. It's the perfect transition piece to take you from those warmer summer days into cooler evenings. I absolutely adore how I styled it today with these burnt orange pants and a classic white top. This combination not only feels seasonally appropriate, but also adds a pop of color that's perfect for autumn. But the styling options for this vest are truly endless. Imagine pairing it with a cute sundress or a chic jumpsuit for a laid-back yet polished look. And let's not forget the timeless classic jeans and a comfy t-shirt. This vest effortlessly elevates those outfits while keeping them casual and breathable. I'm really thrilled how this vest turned out. It looks even better than my inspiration photo. The colors and design came together beautifully, and I can't wait to see how y'all choose to style it. Whether you're dressing it up for a brunch date or keeping it casual for a day out, I'm confident you'll find it just as versatile and lovely as I do. By now, I'm sure we're all familiar with my endless love for Lion Brand's 24/7 cotton yarn. As a Southern crafter, I genuinely believe this yarn is an essential staple for my stash, and I think you'll agree once you give it a try. This is actually the fourth pattern that I've completed using this fantastic yarn. Let's take a walk down memory lane. First up was the half wrap fall shawl, which I made for those cooler evenings. Next, I whipped up the black or white bucket hat, which is perfect for sunny days, and after that, I designed the polychrome shoulder bag, which adds a fun pop of color to any outfit. And now we have this beautiful Sail Away Summer Vest, which I'm absolutely thrilled about. For those of you who might not be familiar with Lion Brand's 24/7 cotton, it's composed of 100% mercerized cotton. That means it not only has a lovely sheen, but also boasts amazing durability and softness, making it perfect for any crochet project, especially garments like this vest. It comes in a stunning variety of vibrant colors, which really lets you get creative with your designs. For my Sail Away Summer Vest, I chose the classic combination of navy and ecru. I love how these colors complement each other, giving it kind of a nautical feel. But the color possibilities are endless. I think ecru would pair perfectly with warmer tones like amber or rose. And can you imagine the combination of grass and navy? That would create such a fresh and vibrant look. I would love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below which combination you would choose for your version of this vest. Your creativity might just inspire someone else. Now, I might be a bit biased, but I genuinely believe this pattern is perfect for all skill levels. From complete beginners to seasoned crafters looking for a fun, quick project, I use a 4mm hook for this vest, which is the recommended size for Lion Brand's 24/7 cotton yarn. This combination resulted in a lovely yet thick, breathable fabric, ideal for those cooler days. One of the aspects I'm most proud of with this pattern is the minimal weaving of ends. I found a clever technique to create this gorgeous stripe pattern without having to attach yarn at every row. You don't even have to carry the yarn along as you work. My technique keeps the process seamless and efficient. Plus, you only work with one color at a time, making it simple to follow. As for the stitches, they're incredibly beginner friendly. To complete this pattern, all you need to know are slip stitches, chains, and half double crochet. That's it. If you know how to complete a foundation half double crochet, that's great, and that's what I did to start my project, but it's not required. I really wanted to create something accessible for everyone, and I think I achieved that. Now let's talk about one of the new techniques that I tackled with this project, attaching the buttons. This is a brand new task for me, but thankfully I found an incredibly helpful video from Very Pink Knits, and I'll link it in the description box below. She shows you how to attach two different types of buttons, which really opens up your options and prevents you from feeling limited in your design choices. However, I did learn a valuable lesson along the way. While I absolutely love the gold buttons I chose for this vest, I ended up using plastic gold buttons from Hobby Lobby. Unfortunately, my yarn was a bit thicker than I anticipated, started, and I ended up breaking one of the buttons during the process. So if you can swing it, I highly recommend opting for more durable buttons that aren't made of plastic. They'll hold up better and make your finished piece even more reliable. Other than that minor hiccup, I have no complaints about this pattern. It's been such a rewarding project and I can't wait for y'all to try it out. When it comes to the care instructions for your sail away summer vest, you'll be pleased to know that Lion Brand's 24/7 cotton is both machine washable and dryable, making it a practical choice for everyday wear. However, I do recommend washing and drying your finished piece on a low setting. This extra precaution will help you ensure that you don't damage the buttons, especially if you're new to working with them like I am. Trust me, taking that little extra step can save you from any mishaps down the line. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar with my patterns, you know that I typically create stitch tutorials for all of my designs. However, given the lower view counts in those videos and the fact that most of my YouTube community consists of pretty advanced crocheters, I decided to forego that approach this time around. Instead, I wanted to keep the focus on the overall project and provide you with the streamlined process. That being said, I know that even experienced crocheters can run into challenges from time to time. So if you encounter any issues while working on this pattern, or if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help, and I'll do my very best to assist you. Whether it's clarifying a stitch or providing additional tips, I want to make sure you have the best possible experience as you create your own sail away summer vest. So now, the big question: how do you get your hands on this gorgeous pattern? Well, I'm excited to share that this pattern is available right now as a crochet kit on the Lion Brand website. What does that mean for you? It means that when you purchase the kit, you'll receive all that you need to complete your sail away summer vest in your chosen size. It's a fantastic way to simplify your crafting experience, ensuring that you have everything you need right at your fingertips. However, I have to mention that the buttons are not included. But if you're one of those savvy crafters who already has Lion Brand 24/7 cotton in your stash, you can purchase just the pattern alone by visiting my Etsy or Ravelry shop. I love seeing what you create, and your support means the world to me. It keeps me inspired and motivated to bring you even more exciting patterns and projects. I can't wait to see how y'all enjoy making your own sail away summer vest. Remember, whether you're new to crochet or you've been crafting for years, this pattern is designed with you in mind. Now, I think I covered all the important details, but if you have any more questions or need a little bit more convincing, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'm happy to provide you with clarification or any additional information because I truly believe this pattern will work for you. In the meantime, happy crocheting. I can't wait to see your creations, and until then, take care and happy crafting. Bye!